Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell on Binance US. First, log into your Binance US account and navigate to the Sell section. You'll need to select the cryptocurrency you wish to sell and the fiat currency you want to receive. Make sure your account verification is complete, as this is crucial for withdrawing funds. We'll cover the steps to initiate a sale and confirm your transaction details. It's a straightforward process once you know the key steps. Before you sell, ensure your Binance US account is fully verified, including identity checks and linking a bank account. This is essential for smooth withdrawals. Next, select the specific cryptocurrency you want to sell from your wallet. You'll then input the amount you wish to sell. Always take a moment to check the current market price to help you decide the best time to execute your sale for optimal returns. Once prepared, you'll choose your selling method. You can opt for a market order to sell immediately at the current price, or a limit order to set a specific price point. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to sell. The system will display the estimated fiat amount you'll receive. Carefully review all the transaction details, including any fees, before confirming your sale. A quick check ensures everything is correct. After a successful sale, you can initiate a withdrawal of your fiat funds. Navigate to the withdrawal section and select your linked bank account or debit card. Be mindful of any daily or transaction limits, and remember that processing times can vary, typically taking a few business days. Always double-check your withdrawal details before confirming. Also, for other great deals and the link to those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.